Imagine landing at a stunning 5-star resort in Cabo, walking into your gorgeous oceanfront suite, and realizing your entire stash of frozen liquid gold has melted into a warm, useless mess. Absolute nightmare, right? Traveling as a breastfeeding mama is beautiful, but keeping that hard-earned stash brick solid on a long travel day can feel like a high-stakes mission. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to navigating motherhood without sacrificing your luxury aesthetic. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to travel with frozen breast milk to a resort, step by step, so you can breeze through transit and get straight to sipping mocktails by the infinity pool. Grab your favorite iced latte, and let's get into it. Step 1 starts days before you even pack your bags, and it is all about coordinating with your destination. Do not just assume your room has a proper freezer. Most luxury resort minibars are just chillers, which will ruin your milk in a few hours. The ultimate power move is emailing the resort concierge a week in advance. Let them know you are traveling with medically necessary frozen breast milk and require a suite with a true deep freezer, or ask if the resort kitchen can safely store your stash in their commercial freezer upon arrival. High-end resorts accommodate this all the time, and securing this setup early is an absolute game changer for your peace of mind. Step 2 is the pack out, and this is where we get a little bougie with our gear. Ditch the cheap styrofoam coolers. You need a serious, high-performance travel cooler like a Yeti Hopper or a sleek travel tote packed with top-tier cooling power. For frozen milk, you want heavy-duty, solid frozen gel packs. Pack your breast milk bags tightly together in the center of the cooler, filling any empty spaces with extra ice packs or even clean diapers to eliminate air pockets. The denser the pack, the longer it stays frozen. You can easily keep dozens of ounces frozen for over 20 hours this way, which is plenty of time to reach paradise. Step 3 is crushing the airport hustle. When you get to the TSA security line, look the agent in the eye and declare your cooler immediately. Because your milk is completely frozen solid, it will usually pass through the X-ray machine like an absolute breeze with zero extra testing. Just remember that the ice packs themselves must be completely frozen too. If they are even slightly slushy, TSA might want to open the cooler. Once you clear security, make a beeline for the airport lounge, keep your cooler zipped tight, and save your energy for the flight. When you finally touch down and step into your resort, your stash will be perfectly intact and ready for the freezer. Traveling with your little one should feel like a luxury vacation, not a stressful chore. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on high-end family travel and breastfeeding education, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below letting us know your upcoming vacation destination. Safe travels, mamas.